Oh, me telling you this. Me a real bad man. And watch ya. And the road me depend right now. Me nah go inside. Nobody can quarantine me. Me a real bad man at West Palm Beach. And me say bus gun. How I'm to know? Me Jesus. You think that Mr. Trump can come take me off of the road? Me a bad man. Me nah go inside. No way. And that me a telling you. How I'm to know? Eh? Me Jesus. When you don't come disrespect bad man. Me nah go
in no. Nasty, dirty, underprivileged, dirty Tabizzle. Come wash me dirty panty them that you haven't washed all week. Okay? Me panty them sitting down and you on social media faking it. Every day they're on social media faking it. My panty them need to be washed. And first of all, you need to go take up the steel pad that I take off for me last night. I pure blood in there. Come wash me panty them and get on social media, man. Every day they're on social media fake shit. Come wash me panty them no wash all week. I want them squeaky clean. Squeaky clean like when you duck them there in the tub. Squeak, squeak. Me Jesus. Come on for social media, come wash me damn drawers them, man. Nasty bitch. Come on.
Yeah.
I want me panty them wash.
But baby, enough you're embarrassed.
Shut your ass mouth. Me Jesus. I want it wash well clean too. I want it clean. Make sure I put bleach on it, okay? You chat off him up on social media every day, boy, you're a bad man. Eh? Wash my panty good, boy. Wash it out. Squeak it. Scrub it. Me Jesus. Nah, no manners. Nasty boy. Shut about. Me Jesus.
Options are few.
Damn, Daniel.
I'm trying to pray, but where are you? I'm all churched out, hurt and abused. I can't fake what's left to do.
Come on.
Truth is I'm weak. No.
Me Jesus.